is in place. Driver's ready. Marshal's ready. So stadium truck aiming. We're going to start this in less than 5. On the tone. Here we go, drivers. And a pretty clean looking start. Looks like Paul's still out front. Will's trying to chase him down. Nigel is in the 2 spot now. Looks like Paul, Nigel, Will, Peter, Brian right on his tail. It's a real tight race to the line. So you're 1, 2, 3 going under the bridge right now. That's a tight battle for first spot. Paul Kogan, your leader. Gap is 1.5 seconds between Nigel and 0.6 seconds. Oh, and your leader makes a mistake. Oh, and Will Dunn jumps into the 1 spot over Nigel. So your first and third place drivers switch positions. Oh, Paul having more problems. Gonna drop him into the 5 spot now. So we got Will, Nigel, Peter, John, Paul, Dell, and Martin, sorry. Will Dunn with a 2.2 second lead on Nigel. Not giving up. Paul's still in this one. Lots of time left, 5 minutes. Peter 4.3 seconds back and Paul Kogan 0.6 back to Peter, so real tight battle for 2, 3, 4, 5. Nigel a second and a half back. Paul's starting to close the gap a bit with 7.4 seconds behind Nigel. Peter in the 4th spot now with 4.4 seconds between him and Paul. It's John in the 5, Martin in the 6, and Dell in the 7. Paul making up a bit more time there too. Nigel and Will still 2.2 seconds to separate them. Paul's 7 seconds back there. Nigel starting to pull away from Peter a little bit. Tight battle between your 4, 5, 6. That's Peter, John, and Martin. Now Nigel's 6 seconds behind Dunn, and Paul 5.9 seconds behind Nigel, so close. Peter's right there too, 5.6 back to Paul.
Left.
So your leader going over the bridge now. 2nd place under the loop. 3rd coming under the loop now. 8 seconds between 1st and 2nd, and 4 seconds between 2nd and 3rd. Will on pace for 16, 7, 12. Nigel on pace for 16, 7, 26. Paul on pace for 15, 7, 05. John, Peter, Brian, Martin, and Dell
Left.
Will now with an 11-second lead over Paul Kogan. So Paul got by Nigel there somewhere. Oh, it looks like Nigel just took that spot back. So your 2-3 is going to be a good battle through the 6-pack now and underneath the crossover. Will Dunn with a pretty good lead. And just keep it on all fours. You should take this one. Minute and a half to go. There's your 2 and 3 down the back straight. Paul Kogan in the silver. Nigel in the purple, blue, and white.
1 minute left.
Heads up there, man. You got your 2 and 3 coming up behind you. Thank you. .6 seconds is the gap. Will Dunn down the back stretch. He's your leader. See him come up behind you in the blue. Give him some way. So Will, Paul, Nigel, Peter, Martin, John, and Dell. It's your running order. Nigel looks like he's jumped back in the second spot. I guess Paul had a problem there. That gap's only 2.1 seconds with 10 seconds to go. So this is going to be a race to the line. Here comes Nigel over the quads. You see if he gets this right. He does. So he's going to take the 2. Oh, Paul has a little problem. He's going to get the 3.
Car 87.
So Will Dunn taking this one. Just looking for Peter. Peter taking the 4th spot. So Will Dunn takes this with a 16.711. Fast lap there was Paul Kogan with 27.5. 2 spot was Nigel Walker. Paul Kogan in the 3. Peter in the 4. Martin in the 5. John in the 6. And Dell in the 7.